Create Adobe-style sticker text effect in under 2 minutes. Add a fusion composition to the timeline in the Edit page. Switch to the Fusion page and insert a Text Plus node. In the Text Plus node, select your desired font. Navigate to the Shading tab and apply a gradient of your choice. Copy the existing Text Plus node. Paste it behind the original node in the flow. In the duplicated node, open the Shading tab. Enable the Outline feature. Set the outline color to white. Increase the thickness as needed for a sticker-style appearance. Add Drop Shadow node. Your sticker-style text effect is now ready to shine.